Hi, this is Joel Joy from CST department second year. I'm going to do the 8th program in C++ lab, that is operating object oriented programming in C++ lab. This is a link given to us in the courses. The number of questions is 5 something. My registration number is 45. So my question will be the first question. I have to do the first question. I'll show you the question. So my question is first question. I'll read out the question for you. Write a program that reads a group of numbers from the user and places them in an array of type float. Once the numbers are stored in the array, the program should average them and print the result. Use pointer notation wherever possible. Now I'll show you the program. This is the program. That is the first line, hash include iostream using namespace std. Hash include iostream is a call for the header file to call the it's a call for the compiler to call the header file which contains input and output functions. Using namespace std is for using the standard input and output functions. So in the main function, this main function is of return type int, that is integer return type. Inside the main function I declare two variables n and I which are of data type integer, that is denoted with the keyword int. Then using the cout statement I ask the user to enter the number of elements he or she want to enter. So the number given by the user will be stored in the variable n, and then as given in the question, this is a question I have commented it. That is, they have told we have to declare an array of float data type. So the array of size n is a number given by the user, that is number of elements that is given by the user, and array name is a. Then another variable sum which is initialized to 0, another variable average avg to find out the average of the elements in the array. All of these variables are of type data type float. Then using the cout statement I ask the user to enter the elements one by one. So here inside the for loop I store the variables using the pointer and then find out the sum. That is, for I is initialized to 0, I should be less than n is a number of elements that is given by the user, and I is incremented after each iteration. So using the scene statement I store the the value in the respective positions in the array. This is a formula for storing the element using the pointer. It is pointer, the array name, that is a, plus I is the position. First it will become 0, and then then sum is equal to sum plus that element. So sum is first initialized to 0, so 0 plus the first element will be stored in sum. Again then the second iteration, that first element will be the sum and plus the second element, so on till I is less than n. We get the sum of all the elements in the array using this formula. Then the average of the elements can be found out using this formula, sum by n. That is, sum is a total number of sum is a sum of all the elements in the array, and n is the number of elements in the array. So using the cout statement we can display the average. I'll build the program. Since there's no errors, I'll run the program. Enter the elements you want to enter. Let me give it as 5. Enter the elements one by one. Let me give it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the desired average is 3. That is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by number of elements is 5, that is 15 by 5 is 3. So we have successfully obtained the output. The desired average is 3, and hence the program is successfully executed. Thank you. My registration number is UR15CS045.